Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is very interesting question. Only 1 in 10 can solve this. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3, multiply 3 minus 3 divided by 3. Now 3 times 3, 9 minus 3 divided by 3. Now 9 minus 3, 6 divided by 3, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. This is incorrect answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so solve again. Okay, so first of all, multiply, right? So 1 plus 2 times 3, 6, right? Minus 3 divided by 3. Now multiplication division from left to right. So okay, so now divide first. So 1 plus 6 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now plus first, right? So 1 plus 6, 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. This is correct answer.